Imagine waking up in a city where the first thing you see is a ring of green mountains surrounding centuries-old neighborhoods, where the aroma of freshly baked bread drifts through narrow streets, and where people from different cultures and religions have shared the same home for hundreds of years. This is the everyday reality of Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Often called the Jerusalem of Europe, Sarajevo is a place where history and modern life exist side by side, creating a lifestyle that is both unique and deeply connected to its past. A typical day in Sarajevo begins at a relaxed pace. Unlike some of Europe's busiest capitals, life here is not dominated by constant rushing. Many people start their mornings by visiting local bakeries for traditional pastries such as burek, a flaky pastry filled with meat, cheese, or spinach. Coffee is more than just a drink in Sarajevo. It is an important social tradition. Friends, relatives, and business partners often meet for Bosnian coffee, enjoying long conversations instead of hurried meetings. Spending an hour or two in a cafe is completely normal and reflects the city's strong sense of community. One of the most fascinating aspects of life in Sarajevo is its cultural diversity. Walking through the old town, known as Basjashia, you can see mosques, churches, and synagogues standing close to one another. The city has been influenced by the Ottoman Empire, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and many other civilizations, leaving behind a rich mixture of architecture, traditions, and customs. This diversity is visible not only in the buildings, but also in the local food, music, festivals, and everyday interactions among residents. Education and family life play a major role in Sarajevo's society. Children attend public and private schools, while universities attract students from across the country and neighboring regions. Family bonds remain strong, and it is common for several generations to stay closely connected. Weekend family lunches and celebrations are important traditions, bringing relatives together to share homemade meals and stories. Nature is never far away in Sarajevo. The city is surrounded by mountains that provide opportunities for skiing, hiking, and outdoor activities throughout the year. During winter, snow transforms the nearby peaks into popular destinations for both locals and tourists. In spring and summer, parks and rivers become gathering places where families and friends enjoy picnics and outdoor recreation. This close connection with nature helps create a balanced lifestyle that combines urban convenience with natural beauty. Transportation within the city includes trams, buses, and trolleybuses, making it possible to travel without relying entirely on private cars. Walking is also popular, especially in the historic center, where many attractions, shops, and cafes are located close together. Local markets offer fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, and handmade products, allowing residents to support local farmers and artisans. Despite its peaceful atmosphere today, Sarajevo carries the memories of a difficult past. The city has rebuilt itself with remarkable determination, and many historical sites serve as reminders of both tragedy and resilience. Instead of allowing history to divide them, many residents focus on creating a better future while preserving their cultural heritage. Living in Sarajevo means experiencing a blend of old and new, east and west, tradition and progress. It is a city where hospitality remains a way of life, where strangers are often welcomed with kindness, and where everyday moments are shaped by centuries of history. But daily life is only one part of the story. The economic opportunities, cost of living, careers, and modern challenges of Sarajevo reveal another side of the city that many people outside Bosnia and Herzegovina rarely see. At first glance, Sarajevo may look like a city frozen in history, but beneath its ancient streets and historic landmarks lies a modern capital that is steadily evolving. For the people who live here, daily life is shaped not only by culture and tradition, but also by work, education, technology, and the constant effort to build a brighter future. Sarajevo offers opportunities that attract students, entrepreneurs, and professionals, yet it also faces economic challenges that make life both rewarding and demanding. The economy of Sarajevo is one of the strongest in Bosnia and Herzegovina. As the country's political, cultural, and business center, it provides jobs in government, education, healthcare, tourism, banking, information technology, and manufacturing. In recent years, the technology sector has grown rapidly, with young professionals working for local startups and international companies. Many businesses provide remote services to clients across Europe and North America, allowing skilled workers to build successful careers without leaving their hometown. Tourism has also become an important part of Sarajevo's economy. Every year, visitors arrive to explore the city's fascinating history, beautiful architecture, and breathtaking mountain scenery. Hotels, restaurants, cafes, souvenir shops, and tour companies create thousands of jobs for local residents. During the winter season, nearby ski resorts attract sports enthusiasts, while summer festivals and cultural events bring travelers from around the world. Tourism not only supports businesses, but also helps preserve the city's historical sites and traditions. One of Sarajevo's biggest advantages is its relatively affordable cost of living compared to many Western European cities. Housing, transportation, and dining out are generally less expensive, making it easier for families and young professionals to manage their budgets. Traditional markets offer fresh produce, local cheeses, meats, and handmade goods at reasonable prices, while modern shopping centers provide access to international brands and products. This combination of affordability and convenience contributes to a comfortable quality of life for many residents. Education plays a significant role in shaping Sarajevo's future. Schools and universities prepare students for careers in science, engineering, medicine, business, and the arts. Many young people speak multiple languages, especially English, which helps them connect with international opportunities. Education is viewed as an important path toward personal success and national development, encouraging younger generations to contribute to the country's growth. Healthcare services in Sarajevo include public hospitals and private clinics. While the healthcare system continues to improve, many residents choose private medical services for faster appointments and specialized care. The city also offers sports facilities, parks, and recreational areas that encourage active lifestyles and community participation. However, life in Sarajevo is not without its difficulties. Unemployment and lower average wages compared to wealthier European countries remain significant challenges. Many young people dream of working abroad in search of higher salaries and greater career opportunities. Political complexities and economic uncertainties can sometimes slow development and investment. Yet despite these obstacles, the people of Sarajevo are known for their determination and resilience. Small businesses continue to open. Entrepreneurs launch innovative projects, and communities work together to improve their neighborhoods. Technology and modernization are gradually transforming the city. High-speed internet, digital services, and expanding infrastructure are making Sarajevo increasingly connected to the rest of the world. Young entrepreneurs are introducing creative ideas, while international companies recognize the city's talented workforce and strategic location in Southeast Europe. Life in Sarajevo is a balance between opportunity and challenge. It is a city where tradition meets innovation, where historic streets lead to modern workplaces, and where people continue to build hopeful futures despite economic difficulties. Yet there is one side of Sarajevo that truly captures the hearts of those who visit or choose to stay. The traditions, festivals, food, and extraordinary spirit of its people. That final chapter reveals why Sarajevo is far more than just a city. It is a way of life. There is one thing about Sarajevo that surprises almost everyone who visits. It is not the ancient streets, the beautiful mountains, or even the city's incredible history. It is the people. Despite facing wars, hardships, and decades of rebuilding, the people of Sarajevo are known for their warmth, generosity, and ability to enjoy life. They believe that happiness is found not in rushing through the day, but in spending time with family, sharing meals with friends, and appreciating the small moments that many modern societies often overlook. This spirit gives Sarajevo a character that is difficult to describe, but impossible to forget. Food is at the heart of life in Sarajevo. Traditional Bosnian cuisine reflects centuries of cultural influences and remains an important part of everyday life. Families often gather around large tables filled with homemade dishes. Grilled meats, slow-cooked stews, fresh bread, stuffed vegetables, and sweet desserts are common favorites. The famous cevapi, small grilled sausages served with flatbread and onions, is one of the city's most beloved meals. Local bakeries prepare fresh pastries every morning, while cafes serve traditional Bosnian coffee using methods that have remained unchanged for generations. Sharing food is considered a sign of friendship and respect, and guests are often treated like members of the family. Sarajevo's cultural life is equally vibrant. Throughout the year, the city hosts music concerts, art exhibitions, film festivals, and traditional celebrations that bring together people from different backgrounds. The city's streets often come alive with performers and local markets, creating an atmosphere that blends history with modern entertainment. Young people enjoy contemporary music and technology, while older generations preserve customs that have been passed down for centuries. This balance between old and new helps maintain Sarajevo's unique identity. Religion and tradition continue to play an important role in the lives of many residents. Mosques, churches, and synagogues stand as symbols of the city's multicultural heritage. Religious holidays are celebrated with family gatherings and community events, while respect for different beliefs remains an important part of Sarajevo's social fabric. This diversity has helped shape a city where different cultures have influenced one another for hundreds of years. The changing seasons also have a strong impact on daily life. Winter covers the surrounding mountains with snow, attracting skiers and creating postcard-like scenery across the city. Spring brings colorful flowers and busy outdoor cafes. Summer fills the parks and riversides with families and tourists, while autumn paints the hills with shades of gold and red. Each season offers a different experience, giving residents a constant connection to nature and the outdoors. Safety and community are valued by many people living in Sarajevo. Neighbors often know each other well, children play in local parks, and family ties remain strong. Hospitality is a source of pride, and visitors frequently speak about the kindness they receive from local people. Even in difficult times, communities often come together to support one another, reflecting the resilience that has defined the city throughout its history. Yet life in Sarajevo is about more than beautiful traditions or stunning landscapes. It is a city that teaches important lessons about survival, hope, and unity. It has experienced moments that could have destroyed its spirit, but instead, its people rebuilt their homes, protected their culture, and created a future filled with possibility. Today, Sarajevo stands as a symbol of strength and perseverance. So, what is life really like in Sarajevo? It is waking up to mountain views and centuries of history. It is enjoying coffee without watching the clock. It is living in a place where cultures meet, where traditions are respected, and where people continue to smile despite the challenges they have faced. Sarajevo may not be the richest city in Europe or the most famous tourist destination, but it offers something increasingly rare in the modern world: a sense of belonging, authenticity, and humanity. For many who visit, Sarajevo becomes more than a destination. It becomes a reminder that a city's greatest treasure is not its buildings or monuments, but the spirit of the people who call it home. And perhaps that is the true reason why Sarajevo leaves such a lasting impression on everyone who experiences its remarkable way of life.